We're making a roasted squash. Howdy, it's Linda from Veggie Outlaws, and today we're making a roasted squash. So hop on board and let's get cooking. It's harvest season, and that makes it the perfect season for roasting up this beautiful, versatile little vegetable. It is awesome in pumpkin soup, pumpkin pie, and of course, our friendly mac and cheese. And you can find all these recipes in our cookbook. Go online to veggieoutlaws.com where you can pick up your copy today. First thing we do is cut the pumpkin in half. This is where our big muscles come into play. Remove the seeds. We're going to keep the seeds because later we're going to make roasted pumpkin seeds. So delicious, so healthy, and so easy to make. I'm looking forward to making pumpkin soup, pumpkin pie, and I'm also going to roast a butternut squash at the same time so I can make some delicious, friendly mac and cheese. You can find all those recipes in my cookbook, veggieoutlaws.com. We're going to cook both the pumpkin and the butternut squash at the same time. So now we're going to take our butternut squash and cut it in half. I like to cut it this way. Makes it easier to remove the seeds. With butternut squash, this top part here is usually all meat, no seeds. It's in this bottom round part that has the seeds. Cut it in half so I can get at the seeds. I'm going to cook my butternut squash seeds along with my pumpkin seeds. If you're feeling lazy, you can keep the seeds in and remove them after you bake it. Makes it a lot easier, but oh my gosh, that's pretty simple. We'll deal with these seeds in a few minutes. And again, if you're feeling lazy, you can bake your pumpkin and your butternut squash whole. You just want to make sure you stab it with a fork a few times to let any steam escape, but then you don't have your beautiful seeds to roast. Place your pumpkin skin side up in your roasting dish. Add in your butternut squash, skin side up. Add a little bit of water into your baking dish to keep your pumpkin nice and moist while it cooks, and roast in a 400-degree oven. After roasting for 35 to 45 minutes, you have beautiful roasted squash. If you like what we made today, just stir up that like button and subscribe for more delicious recipes. Or head over to our website, veggieoutlaws.com, where we have new recipes coming out every week. Or you could pick up a copy of our cookbook, Veggie Outlaws Most Wanted Vegan Recipes.